we're gonna go ahead and jump over to downtown LA for some quick shots just to see how this fares, and then we're going to come back here and then I'm going to explain the premise furthermore of this video. Wow. See, look at that. That was really short. I wanted to get straight into the point of this video, but I needed to show you what I was capable of first. So first and foremost, this lens. If you're coming in from the video that I uploaded previously that was mainly focusing on the video aspect with this lens, then welcome back. If you're not, you should go check that out. But the main purpose of this one was to really use the lens for photography. And I didn't really do that last time because I just wanted to use it for video. And I felt as though there really wasn't much experience behind it other than kind of like a vlog, but it wasn't really a vlog. So I wanted to use this now as a time to show me walking around Ontario and kind of get to understand some of the photos. Now then, this is my first time testing the GoPro rig with this entire setup, so I apologize if it is a bit wonky. I really did want to just try the amateur style and then hopefully build up from there because of course I have more. Okay, so we're in Ontario, as you can see. Really dope skies today, so I thought that it'd be great to take the Pentax / Takumar 55 out for a whirl and take some photos of architecture. I have the GoPro mounted. Let's see if we can get some of that nice sky with the GoPro. And we're gonna take some photos, so let's go. Bro, whose train? Fast. Man, this is wild out here. I'm gonna crop this in later.
When I come back, I'm gonna get more photos. Let me see. Easy, easy, easy. Whew. Can't tell if this is the right spot. Oh, this is 1,000 times better. I was wasting my time in that corner. I don't like that oversized semi right there, but hey, that's Ontario for you. And we'll see which one's the best one out of all of that. Yerk. All right, back to the main street where everyone stares. You know what, this one isn't bad. If it were not for all those lights, I really think that this would have been a really nice shot. I mean, really nice, like, it already is nice. Are we car spotting today? Ooh, that's terrible. I almost walked past all of this. Look at this. Let me see here. Sheesh. It's time to... Look at that, we got someone walking in. Amazing. Yo, okay. I saw it. I don't know if it's in the peripheral, but it's this way. Dang, you know what? This Wells Fargo sign goes kind of hard in between everything like that. I mean, you know what? I'm gonna slam this down to like 1.8. I really like this. I don't even know if you can see it. Okay, we're done shooting 1.8. Oh, the sign's falling. And we're at half staff. How unfortunate. But what we're going to do is okay, and look at that. Easy peasy cover girl. Ontario Town Square, if anyone's ever interested. It's just a dog. Okay, so made it up to the top of this garage out here in Ontario. Great place. The wind is crazy. The GoPro is done, so I really, you know, Ontario's not even that big. I'm probably only gonna do maybe like 2-3 more photos. Actually, nah. We're gonna go ahead and do a slideshow. So, wind aside, let's go.
So I really do hope that you guys liked the video. I mean, you might be surprised that you're seeing me back here, but hey, you know, like I like doing this. I like making videos. I like producing content. So if you would like to see more content weekly, come on back here, hit subscribe, and yeah, vibe out. I mean, that's the whole point of videos, dude. Just straight up vibe out. So yeah, hopefully you guys liked it and continue to vibe out with me. Peace.